y'all, welcome to my channel. It is your girl Kayla Monet. If you are new here, welcome. If you're not, you already know the drill. Welcome back. Today I'm bringing you all along with me in my Sunday series, and this is a relaxing morning routine for my Sunday reset. If you are interested and would like to know more, just keep on watching, but do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. First, I'm going in with my skincare. I'm doing the full-on skincare today. So we're starting off with washing, and then I'll go in with my skincare routine and oral care.
She too scary. My hope is fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no baby. In the meantime, it's some me time. Crib by the beach like Odell.
So lately I've been into oil pulling. It's when you use coconut oil and swish around your mouth for about 10 to 15 minutes. I've been doing this daily in the mornings. It naturally helps whiten your teeth and get rid of any decay and cavities. And I've just been liking it. My teeth have been naturally whitened by using this for the past 3 weeks. So now you see me just going in with my skincare, and if you see me swishing around stuff, that's actually the oil.
Only been days, but it feel like months. Went gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
In the meantime.
Alright, so y'all already know it's not a Sunday reset without doing laundry. So here I'm stripping the bed. I strip my bed weekly, wash my sheets and pillowcases weekly. We like to keep skin clear over here and not have dirty sheets. So we're going to do our laundry and take all of our clothes down so we have a fresh new start for the week. So by this point I got kind of hungry, so I'm now going and getting some green tea, some oatmeal, and some strawberries. And that's going to be my breakfast today. Kind of like light, but still enough to keep me full. So by this point, I just like to chill, scroll on TikTok and stuff and laugh and eat my breakfast. And then after I get that food in, I'm ready to go back and get my deep clean on. So I'm deep cleaning and organizing my room, just giving me a fresh start for the week. I'm going in with some eucalyptus essential oils to get the vibes going. And yeah, just watch me clean my room. I also wanted to add that just having a clean space just makes the week better. It just sets you off on the right foot. You're right mentally, physically. Just having a clean space sets the tone for the week ahead. So I think it's very important to start Sundays off with some type of cleaning just to get your week started on the right foot. So this is actually one of the favorite parts of my room. These are some LED strip lights I've gotten. My mom gifted them to me for Christmas. I just put them behind my TV, and I just think it sets the vibe off when you're watching TV, especially at night. So now I'm going in with some fresh clean sheets, and I'm making up my bed and getting it ready. Alright, so now this is my favorite part. We're getting the vibes, got the music going, and taking a nice, long, warm shower. I just like to exfoliate and, just get my skin all right. I love the African net sponge. It's super exfoliating, keeps my skin soft. I take 2 showers on Sundays. In the day, I take a nice shower after cleaning, and then in the night, I do a nice relaxing shower. So these are one of my skincare secrets. While your skin is still damp, use that body oil while your skin is damp to lock in moisture, and then go in with the body butter after. You will be smelling like a vanilla donut, like chef's kiss. So after we did all of that, we're gonna go in and just get ready for the day. I'm just doing some light makeup, barely their makeup very minimal and a nice cute little ponytail. So yeah, just watch me getting ready, and I just feel like putting effort into your appearance just makes you, even if you're chilling out home and relaxing, it just makes you feel better about yourself and more put together. Me personally is what I think. Since we're doing very minimal makeup, I like to use my finger to blend it in. I feel like it just melts effortlessly into the skin when I use a mix of my finger and a beauty sponge while doing minimal makeup. So if you would like a more depth talk through of this makeup routine, just like the video and I will be glad to do a tutorial, a more in-depth tutorial. But this makeup literally took me less than 10 minutes, super quick and easy. Just mine. Can you ride for me? Oh, baby. Stop for me. Oh, no. Take it to the top of me. I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you. Can you roll with me? Oh, baby. All over me. Over me. Take control of me. I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. So now I'm getting dressed for the day. I chose out this cute two-piece velour lounge set from H&M. It's super cute. I love it. I'm such a fan of matching sets. It just makes you look put together without that much effort. So I'm a fan, and this is what I chose to wear for my chill, cozy, relaxing Sunday. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I have other Sunday routines. Today was my relaxing Sunday. I spend the rest of the day editing my Sunday upload and just planning out my week and things that are important. So yeah, just let me know if you'd like to see some of my other routines. You all have a blessed, productive, prosperous week, and I will catch you on my next video. Love you!